Hello and welcome to the Double X Factor CNBC TV 18 show about women for everybody. From unusual perspectives on the gender debate to showcasing the world from the woman's point of view, that is what we do on this show. And like everyone else in the country this week, we are celebrating Diwali. If you've noticed, there is a heightened sense of celebration and festivity in the cities, at least this Diwali. And that is good news for the people you're going to meet in our top story. From rustling up traditional delicacies to shipping out corporate gift orders, Mansi Phadnis introduces us to some women for whom Diwali means brisk business.
Delicious to eat, difficult to prepare. Karanji, a traditional Maharashtrian Diwali sweet, takes a lot of time to make. But like in the case of most difficult things, you can always outsource the job. Kutumba Sakhi cottoned on to this need of time-starved urban professionals 34 years ago. Since then, the Women's Cooperative has been catering meals and selling packaged snacks and savories from 11 centers across Mumbai. Diwali is a particularly busy time for the enterprise that has an annual turnover of over 2 crore rupees.
Diwali is very important for us because our daily income is 50,000. But during Diwali time, we of course get double of that income. So it is more important for us. Our yearly turnover is more than 2 crores. So Diwali, it is very profitable now. This time is very profitable.
But it's not just about the money. Though this work is their only source of income, the Diwali bustle reminds them that together they make each other's social network.
The main purpose of this organization is to give employment to these poor ladies and uneducated ladies. We give preference to mainly divorcees, widows.
Similar story at the Cancer Rehabilitation Center that's a part of the Cancer Patients Aid Association. Over 100 women are working round the clock making diyas to light up your Diwali. These exquisite and expensive lamps bring in about 60 to 65% of the center's annual income, in turn providing cancer survivors or their families with a chance to get on with life.
When you're working with colors, they reflect in your personality also. You're not just working with blacks and greys or with clay and doing dull things. You're doing cheerful things, and everybody's coming and complimenting them on their work, and they're carrying it home at any expense. I mean, they love to buy our diyas. We've become very famous because of our Diwali diyas. So the patients feel that something that they do is being appreciated and paid for. So they're very positive, and then we give them special kinds of food grains. We give them clothes and mithais and crackers and whatever we can muster.
August to January are the busiest months of the year for these people. They work from 9 to 9 every day during these months.
Have you observed the peace and calm and the happiness on everybody's faces? They're not distressed, and each one is battling for something or the other. They are very poor, they have no means, and they have really very little hope for tomorrow. But when they come here to work, they know that they're going to get something in return.
For Rakhi Vaswani, her passion for food has become a profitable venture. Rakhi started off by conducting cookery classes from home and went on to open her culinary studio in Mumbai, turning out cakes, chocolates and other desserts. And guess what? She has roped in her mother, mother-in-law and sister-in-law to work with her.
It's a family-oriented business My mother-in-law starts with making the chikki. It's my mother, my sister, and my mother and my sister-in-law, and me and my helper. We're all into it actually.
During Diwali, Rakhi churns out a few hundreds of kilos of chocolate as compared to the 10 to 12 kilos that she does per day otherwise. And since Rakhi's clientele includes corporate houses, she supplies around 40 to 45 boxes of chocolates a day. And it's been really hectic this year.
Even though the price of everything has gone up in Diwali, everything goes skyrocketing, our rates, your boxes, your dry fruits, everything. But still we are feeling a lot this year because I think India's economy is really good.
So women are cashing in on their talents during this festival and finding Diwali an opportune time to earn big bucks. In Mumbai, Mansi Fadni.
Taking homegrown skills and turning them into small businesses. Ahead on the Double X Factor, our guest this week, jewelry designer turned entrepreneur Poonam Soni.